Welcome to the Arthur R. Marshall Loxahatchee National Wildlife Refuge. This is Nature Crafts with the Loxahatchee staff, and I'm Ranger Serena, and today we're going to be making Winter Solstice luminaries. What is a luminary, you might ask? Well, in this case we're using cups, and you put a little tea light underneath the cup, and you poke holes, and you can shine it at night, and it's very, very beautiful. So, what are you going to need for this craft? You're going to need either paper cups or plastic cups. I happen to only had plastic at my house, so we're using plastic cups today. You're going to be needing probably some scissors, and definitely a hole punch. And if you have a flameless tea light or a battery operated one like this one, you might be able to use that. Okay, so how are you going to start? Well, you're going to start by making a hole in the bottom of your cup. And I had a little trouble doing this the last time. And then all you're going to do is just cut around to make a hole for the bottom. And then you're going to take your hole punch and just punch a bunch of holes in it, whichever way you want to do it. So you can punch a bunch on the top, and then you can punch a bunch down at the bottom. And you can make a design with it if you'd like to. It's pretty easy to, just punch the holes. And then you're all set to go, because then you can just turn your cup upside down. You're not going to put it this way. You're going to put it over the tea light. And I just have the paper plate just to show you, but it looks exactly like this. And I actually have this tea light is lit. It's battery operated, and it looks like this. So thank you so much for joining us in the winter time here at the Arthur R. Marshall Loxahatchee National Wildlife Refuge. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.